Remember this video. The elevators come loaded only 2017, and adding one more floor for accessing the hotel ballroom. So, what happened after mode? As the present day, the elevator has been modded. All fixtures were replaced, starting from whole operating panel inside the car. Car operating panel has been totally replaced, except the whole position indicator.
Taken by the luminous Sigma elevator, it's a Romeo Rare. Fifth floor. T. Whoa, looks like in Michael Hotel room. Exit to the hotel. Skirt cafe. Wow, very basic. Oh, stopping third floor. Yep, this is the floor as main normally as ground floor. Typical Lumia Sigma elevator. It's still 50% what does camera. There's some motorized. Okay, let's get my hair. Closing and there you go.